Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go over in the settings app, we're going to go over the general tab. And what we have here is your actual device name. What we can do is we can change the name to whatever we would like it to say. I do recommend that you do not have it very descriptive. Like as an example, I would not call this Eric Rogers iPhone. The reason being is when you have it in Bluetooth mode, other people can see your name. So I don't think that you really want random people to know what your name is. So it's just something to think about from a security point of view. All right. And then the next section right there is the network that you're on, as in, what cellular service that you have. And then the next one is how many songs that you have. And the next one is how many videos that you have, and photos and applications, and so on and so forth. Okay, now the next one there is capacity. How much capacity did you purchase? As an example, you might have bought a 16, 32, 64, or 128 gigabyte device. I have bought a 128 gigabyte device and I have 114 capacity. And then I have 66.8 gigabytes available. That's the amount of storage that I have not used. All right. And then the next section is the version of the OS that's on my device right now and the code that goes with it. There's different types of devices that have different versions on them. And so that 12B440 is a particular model number of the version number. It's not that important, but if you ever get asked that question, this is where you might go to look for that stuff. And this right here is the carrier software. Basically lets you know that I'm on version 18.1 for AT&T. And then that right there lets you know your model number. And then your serial number is right there. And one of the things that's kind of neat is if you press and hold over one of these, it allows you to press copy. And sometimes you might have to be asked for your serial number or asked for your, something information. And all you have to do is just press over it and it allows you to copy it. And then there's my Wi-Fi address and my Bluetooth address. Now, here, these next three are all about the cellular carrier. IMEI, ICCID, and MEID. They don't mean anything to you, but they mean a lot to the cellular service. So don't worry about it. Just understand that this is where they are. And again, if you press and hold, you can copy the information. Here's your modem firmware information. And then here's your SEID. And again, it's a crazy long number. It just doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. And then down here is some legal information. And if you would like, you can read over each one of these. They go inside and have a long, detailed information. Each one of these do that. Well, I hope you learned something, and this concludes my class. Have a good day.